You can using crimson red as well, so however you prefer. So I'm gonna do, I'm gonna press it down. It looks like a triangle if you're seeing that when I place a bead. And then you can press it down first to give it a little bit of the frame first. You don't have to do anything else yet because it's not going anywhere until you are let it go under the LED light. So I'm going to press it down on the left, go on the right, and we'll keep the petals a little bit like more rounded using the tips of the 3D dual brush and guide it on the tips end of the petal. So like really depend, you can see that some poinsettia are smaller, some poinsettia leaf is like big. However you want your poinsettia to look at on your clients. If you have a shorter nail, do a smaller beads. Longer nails, bigger nails, you can get a bigger beads. So I'm gonna give it like not too, I don't think this is too big, but adjusting according to your clients or your nails design. I loving it. It's just like no messy, no odor. You get all the time in the world to playing and working with your 3D design. I think I'm gonna play with the gnomes a little bit later. We'll do different colors. It just give me such a really cool, fun vibes. Like, ooh, something cute. All right, so I haven't keyed anything yet. This looks really good. And then you can adjusting it however you want. And then if you want to go ahead and key it for 10 seconds, you want to. If you do not, leave it there. We're gonna go into second layer. So now pay attention when you're doing a layer, second layer. I'm gonna place the bead between these two petals right here, 1 and 2. I'm gonna place a bead here, and then 2 and 3. Place a bead right here, and 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. You know, 3 and 1. So then we're gonna place a bead right here. So then that is, you just do a 6 beads, like 3 beads on each layer. But if you decide, if you have a bigger space on the nails, you can definitely doing it bigger. I'm gonna get this bigger. You can definitely key between two if you want to, but it's not necessary you have to. I'm gonna key, place them right there so then they can bond right into first layer, second and third. This is like simple poinsettia for you. Again, press down because the tip of the 3D dual brush is do all the work for us. Press down, and you don't have to do like get it imperfect yet. To get it to really precision in that spot, press down, left and right. Same thing with this one. Press it down, left and right, and now you can go ahead and do it perfect. Like I'm planning to doing the unboxing the ultimate crystal kit perfect combination, but I'm like really into like this, and so I'm gonna play with the gnomes, and then said might as well I'm gonna share with you. And then I'm telling you, if first time I'm doing the gnomes designs, you can do it too. It's just so cool. Just like, and then now we are moving on to the poinsettia. I have such a really a good memory and good love for poinsettia. Just every time thinking of poinsettias. Long story. You want to hear that poinsettias and how it's had it on in impact in my life for the past 22 years when I was in a nail techs. And the first couple years I got to work in the industries, and it's on the special holiday. I'm gonna tell you if anyone curious and wanna know. If not, then it's not a big deal. Well, I haven't keyed anything yet. You can continue to go on if you want to. You don't, absolutely fine. I'm gonna just add the should I add the some of the first? I'm gonna add this one first. Little of the metal beads in here. I'm gonna take advantage because it's still wet. I mean, it's not running wet. It's not here. So I'm gonna add some beads on it. That's about it. Cool. And then you can flash key if you want to. And then we'll go into the some petals here. We can do another one here. We'll do another one here. Should I flash key quick?